guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these two candle holders or flower display holders. This is really quick and easy as it came out absolutely beautiful, and I made it with some items I picked up from the Dollar Tree. If this is your first time here to my channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. And if you are an old subscriber coming through to watch a new video, thank you for joining me. I do appreciate it. So if you want to see how I made these two items, just keep watching. So here are some of the items I'm going to be using. These two round bowls from the Dollar Tree. Also going to be using these two tea light candle holders. I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. I picked this up from Amazon and I'm going to cut those into long strips. I'll be using the circular part of that. Also, I'm going to be using these crystal gems. I picked these up from Amazon. I'll be using this silver paint, my silver Sharpie permanent marker, also my glue gun, my glue stick. I'll be using my thread cutters, my tweezers, and a foam painting brush. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol sprayed on the underside of the tea light candle holder just to loosen the adhesive and peel off the paper. Now I'm going to be using some painter's tape just to make sure that the paint doesn't get on the glass. So I'm going to paint the metal part of the candle holder. I'm going to paint it once, let it dry for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to paint it again. And then I'm going to let it dry for an hour. Now, while that dries, I'm going to use my silver Sharpie marker and I'm just going to remove the black lines that are behind the diamond wrap. And if you've purchased diamond wrap, guys, and you see this black line behind it, this is an easy way just to remove it so that the black lines won't be seen through your glasswork. And I just simply run the marker across the black line. Now I'm going to take that diamond wrap and use a little hot glue and adhere it to the edge of the bowl. Now that the candle holder is dry, I'm going to remove the painter's tape. Now I'm going to adhere some of the diamond wrap to the edge of the candle holder at the base and also at the top edge. Now it's time to adhere these clear gems to the bowl. And then I'm going to hot glue them along the diamond wrap. I'm going to adhere one gem to the base of the holder. Now I'm going to use a little E6000 and I'm going to apply the bowl to the tea light candle holder. Now I'm going to use a bag of coins just to apply a little bit of weight to the bowl and the holder. I'm going to let that set and dry overnight. Okay guys, here it is. It came out absolutely beautiful. Here I'm just using some acrylic diamond scattered gems as a little bit of decoration inside the bowl. I'm also using battery operated candles. I absolutely love the way this came out. You can use it as a candle holder or you can use it as a flower vase. Either way, I think it looks really lovely. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Stay blessed and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.